Hello everyone. So today I will be making a vegan Indian chickpea curry. It's packed with a lot of flavor and spices. I will be making it with basmati rice. However, today the video is going to be a little different because I'm the one that's going to be recording it, but I still hope you enjoy this. Thank you for watching.
Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Add 1 cup of sliced baby portobello mushroom with 3 sprig of thyme. It will produce some liquid. Let it cook until it dries up. Let it get some color and add a pinch of salt. Once cooked, set it aside and remove the thyme. In the same pan, I add a tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin with 2 tablespoons of the garlic and scallion paste. In the paste, I added 1 tablespoon of ginger. I pulsed it in the mini food processor. However, you can use ginger powder or ginger paste. Let it cook for a few minutes. Add 1 cup of bell peppers, any color is fine. 1 cup of tomatoes. Let it cook for about 1 minute. Keep stirring and combine all the paste into your vegetables. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1.5 cubes of mild golden curry. Stir it well, and then add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. It's optional, but to me, it balances out my sauce a little bit. Add 1 garden veggie bouillon cube, then add 1 can of coconut milk. Stir it in and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add half an onion and a squirt of honey. Add 3 cups of cooked chickpeas. Stir it in, cover, and cook on low to medium heat for 20 minutes. Stir it occasionally. Add in the cooked mushrooms, cover, and let it cook for 10 more minutes on low heat. After washing my basmati rice, add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of épis, which is the garlic, scallion, and parsley paste. Stir it for 1 minute on medium heat. Do not let it brown. cups of water or vegetable stock. Cover and crank up the heat to high. Add 1 hefty pinch of salt. Add 1½ cup of basmati rice, which I rinsed about 4 times or until the water is clear. Make sure to pay close attention to the water line. Once it reaches your rice, you want to make sure you stir it and then add 2 tablespoons of avocado butter, which is dairy-free. Stir it in, cover it, and steam it on low heat for 20 minutes. Once cooked, I add the zest of 1 lime, but that is completely optional. Fluff your rice, heat up any naan of your choice, and everything is ready to be plated. Enjoy!